Have you ever wondered how to make the perfect wrap? Well, I'm going to tell you anyway.
First, ensure your work surface is clean and germ-free. The last thing you want is to make everyone ill.
First, take the wrap out of the packet and then open the tuna. After that, drain the tuna.
Make sure you save a tear for the fish.
R.I.P. fish!
Full of sweet corn.
Also, did you know that sweet corn has vitamins and minerals?
Next, put a spoonful of tuna in the bowl.
Five hours later.
And then add a spoonful of sweet corn too. Another 10 years later.
First, spoon the mixture on the wrap carefully.
This might take a while.
Next, fold the wrap however you like. Then enjoy your wrap.